edition of Satoshimania Crypto, where we don't just analyze the market, we live it from the trenches of life itself. While empires tremble, Bitcoin stands as a silent witness to the great shift. Today, we're diving into a market that's dropping its masks. And only the awakened will know how to seize what's coming. The relationship between the crypto sector and government policy has always been key, and right now is no exception. With figures like Donald Trump showing a more crypto-friendly stance, exchanges like Deribit are taking note, eyeing a US market that, despite regulatory uncertainty, seems to offer real opportunities. This opens up a world of possibilities for crypto companies, but also highlights the challenge of navigating between institutional support and local political decisions, like Arizona's governor recently vetoing the bill to include Bitcoin in the state's reserves. Still, Ethereum's progress under Vitalik Buterin toward a more efficient and scalable network is a clear sign that the crypto ecosystem continues to mature. Meanwhile, institutional investment in mining shows that the big players are placing long-term bets. Fire emoji, key crypto news, live commentary. Deribit eyes US expansion under a Trump administration pro-crypto. This is a crystal clear signal of the winds blowing. If Deribit, one of the top crypto derivatives platforms, wants to step onto US soil, it's because they smell regulatory openness. We've seen this movie before, remember 2017? When the doors open, institutions storm in like bulls. If this trend holds, we could witness a massive surge in liquidity and derivatives in the US market. And that, friends, could be the fuel for the next bull run. Vitalik Buterin wants Ethereum to be as simple as Bitcoin in 5 years. Yup, he said it. Vitalik wants Ethereum to stop being that monster of complexity for devs and users, and become cleaner, stronger, simpler. And that's no small feat, because if Ethereum simplifies and becomes as accessible as Bitcoin, we might be staring down the barrel of a new DeFi and altcoin renaissance. Coincidence? Or are they sensing an incoming institutional wave? Arizona governor vetoes bill to include Bitcoin in state reserves. Now here's one to unpack. The veto might look like a step back, but in truth, it signals that the conversation is already happening at the local government level. We're no longer on the sidelines, we're at the center of the economic and political debate. No matter how much they try to stop it, Bitcoin is forcing conversations that used to be unthinkable. It's like being rejected by your first love. It hurts, sure, but it means there was interest. And they'll be back. Institutional investment in Bitcoin mining rises amid favorable US climate. Now the juiciest bit, the big players are betting on mining. Why? Because they see clarity in the future of regulation. They know that if the US opens its doors to mining, the whole game changes. And the data doesn't lie, capital is flowing in, not to speculate, but to build. This confirms a feeling we've had for a while: Bitcoin is being institutionalized. Not as a toy, but as strategic infrastructure. Technical analysis, BTC, ETH, SOL, XRP, updated May 4, 2025, 8:46 a.m. CEST. Bitcoin. Current price, $96,399.20 intraday range, $95,821 to $96,944 support, 90,000 resistance, 100,000 at 100K wall is the dragon to slay. If it breaks, the market goes euphoric. Ethereum, current price, $1,830.92 intraday range, $1,754 to $1,837. Support, 1,700 resistance, 1,900 ETH follows BTC's lead, and with style. Solana, current price, $145.72 intraday range, 145.68 to 149.56 support, 140 resistance, 155 stall is in a critical zone, with clear potential for a breakout. XRP, current price, $2.21 intraday range, 2.20 to 2.31 support, 2.20 resistance, 2.40 XRP is holding its ground, with growing momentum toward the $3 mark this May. We're entering a critical phase of the cycle. Institutions are positioning themselves. Politicians are dropping their masks. Giants like Vitalik are preparing the next big evolution. Some see Deribit's US ambitions as a bullish sign. Others are clashing with local regulatory hurdles. Yet Ethereum's tech is leaping forward, and institutional money is targeting mining's future. We're watching crypto become deeply embedded in the global economic structure. The path isn't always smooth, but the forces at play are relentless. From its roots to its highest skies, The crypto space remains a fertile ground for innovation. We are at a pivotal moment, and big moves are coming. Some call them coincidences. But we see signals. When the past starts repeating this clearly, it's not magic, it's market structure. And what's unfolding now, family, feels way too similar to that explosion that changed everything. So if you feel that vibration in the air, it's because the moment is near. From the depths of the crypto space, this was Satoshimania Crypto. Here, we don't wait for miracles, we study the pattern. We don't follow the system, we analyze it with vision and courage. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, activate the bell so you don't miss a thing, and you know the drill, we've got blocks, we've got memory, and we've got conviction. See you in the next battle for the resistance of crypto and beyond. Stay sharp, stay free, and stay awake.